Make chicken congee at home and bring comfort to your family with every bowl. This simple and hearty rice porridge is perfect for breakfast, a light dinner, or when someone needs a little extra care. First, prepare all the ingredients for your chicken congee. Now, slice the spring onions thinly, then set them aside. These will add a fresh, fragrant touch to your congee. Next, peel the ginger to remove the skin, then cut into thin strips. We use chicken breast for this recipe, cut into small diced pieces. To marinate the chicken, add corn flour, light soy sauce, sesame oil, white pepper, grated ginger and grated garlic. Mix well until the chicken is evenly coated. This step adds extra flavor and helps keep the chicken juicy and tender when cooked in the congee. Now rinse the rice under cold water until the water runs clear. This helps remove excess starch for a smoother congee. Once rinsed, transfer the rice to a large pot. Now add water to the pot. Use enough to fully submerge the rice. This will allow it to break down and become soft and creamy as it cooks. Give it a gentle stir to combine. Put the lid on the pot and let it simmer over low heat. Stir occasionally to prevent sticking. As the rice breaks down, it will thicken. Feel free to add more water if needed, until you reach your desired congee consistency, smooth and creamy. Now, season the congee by adding salt and a stock cube. Add the marinated chicken to the pot and gently stir to combine. Put the lid back on and let it cook until the chicken is tender and fully cooked through, infusing the congee with rich flavor. Once the chicken is cooked, drizzle in the sesame oil, slice ginger and sprinkle the sliced spring onions on top. Give everything a quick stir to blend the flavors. Scoop the hot congee into serving bowls. Add extra ginger and spring onions on top for a fresh, zesty kick. Finish by drizzling a little light soy sauce to enhance the flavor. Serve immediately and enjoy. This chicken congee is incredibly delicious, creamy, comforting and packed with savory flavors. Save this video and follow for more recipes.